activity book. Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? I hope you are doing good at home. I am your teacher, Ma'am Huma, and I am taking English subject. And you are watching Show and Tell lecture number 27. So let's go ahead and start our lesson. Children, all of you start your work with this dua. Dua for learning. Rabbi Zidni Ilma. What you need for today's work: literacy book, an activity book, an English notebook with a pencil, eraser and sharpener. Hurry up kids, first open literacy book, unit 3, page number 15. Listen, L-I-S-T-E-N, listen. And, listen and, join, J-O-I-N, join, T-H-E, the, W-O-R-D-S, words, listen and join the words, W-I-T-H, with, T-H-E, the, with the, A sound, A-Y-A sound, S-O-U-N-D sound, full stop. L-I-S-T-E-N, listen, A-N-D-N, listen and write, W-R-I-T-E, write, full stop. And the digraph is A, A-Y, A.
1:12. Listen and join the words with the A sound. Listen and write. 1. Way. 2. Hey. 3. Tree. 4. Clay. 5. Tray. 6. Sea.
Okay, children, now open literacy book, page number 15, unit 3. And on the top of the page, write 10th September, 10th September, S-E-P-T-E-M-B-E-R, September, comma, 2020. And then leave space and write capital H dot capital T stands for home task. And then you have to write day. Thursday, Thursday, Thursday. On the top of the page, the instructions are given, which I have already read for you. That is, listen and join the words with the A sound, full stop, listen and write. And this, on this page, the digraph A is given, and we have to write words in which A sound coming, that we have to write under each picture. Words are given on the top: clay, K-A-C-L-A-Y, clay, hay, H-A, H-A-Y, hay, tray, T-R-A-Y, tray, way, way, W-A-Y, way. In the middle of the page, digraph A is given, and there are 6 pictures on this page. Look at picture number 1. It's a picture of way, and you have to write spelling of way, way, W-A-Y, way. And then you have to match this picture in the middle of digraph A. Then write under picture number 2, what's that? It's a picture of hay. Do you know what is hay? It's a dried grass, and it is used for as food for animals. Hay, H-A-Y, hay. Then match this picture with a diagram. Okay, now look at picture number 3, that is of tree. Write spelling of tree, T-R-E-E, tree. Then look at picture number 4. There are 2 hands, and they are playing with clay, C-L-A-Y, clay. Okay, you know, children, what is clay? It's a sort of dough which children used to play with it and they make different things with it. Now match this picture with again diagram A. Look at picture number 5. It's tray. Tray, tray. And match this picture again with diagram A. Look at picture number 6. C. C. E. C. SEAC. Unit 3. Activity book, page number 26. Play with me. Play with me. WITH with me. Me. Number 1. Draw and write. Say. DRAW. Draw. and write. 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 Full stop. Say. Say. Unit 3 activity book, page number 26. On the top of the page, first write 10th September. 10th SEPTEMBER September, 2020. Then write capital H dot capital T and then write day. Thursday. 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 Instructions are given at the left side. You can read. Play. PLAY. Play with. WITH with. Me. Play with me. Number 1. Draw. 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 and draw and write. 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 Full stop. Say. 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 Okay, on the top of the page you can see there are words given like birthday, BIRTH, birth, DAY, birthday, cake, CAKE, cake. Then next word is game, 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 card, card, CARDE, card, mask, 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 candle, 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 present, PRESENT, present. Okay, on this page there are different pictures given. There is a boy who is going to celebrate his birthday. First you have to complete the face picture of this boy. You have to make eyes, nose and lips, and then see around this boy there are some masks and presents, a birthday cake, candles on cake, and there are some cards and a game. What you have to do, first look at the mask pic. How many masks are there? There are 4 masks. You have to write spelling of mask under it, and there is one mask which is in light color, you can see with the gray outline. What you have to do, you have to trace that mask and complete that picture. And then look at the next picture. There are some presents. How many presents are there? There are 3 presents. Write the spelling of present, PRESENT, present. And then again you have to trace picture of present which is in gray color outline. Then write birthday cake. You have to trace the birthday cake and write spelling of birthday, BIRTHDAY, birthday cake, CAKE, cake. Then trace the picture of candle and write spelling of candle, C-A-N-D-L-E, candle. And then come to the cards. How many cards are there? There are 4 cards. And you have to trace one of them. On that card, there are 3 balloons. You have to trace this card. And you can color the balloons also. Then come to the game. Trace the outline of game and write spelling of game, G-A-M-E, game. And if you want to color the birthday banner and these pictures with good colors, you can use different colors. And do the practice at home. How many cards are there? How many games are there? How many presents are there? And give full answer like there are 4 masks, there are 3 presents, there is 1 cake, there are 2 candles, there are 4 cards, and there is a 1 game. Let's do days of the week. Sunday. S-U-N-D-A-Y, Sunday. Children, please open English notebook and write date 10th September, 10th September, S-E-P-T-E-M-B-E-R, September, comma, 2020. Then write capital H dot capital T and then write Thursday, Thursday, T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y, Thursday. In the column, write topic, capital T-O-P-I-C, topic. Then write days of the week, D-A-Y-S, days, O-F, of, days of, T-H-E, the, week, W-E-E-K, week. Now, next write spelling of Monday, Monday, M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. Tuesday, T-U-E-S-D-A-Y, Tuesday. Wednesday, W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y, Wednesday. Then write Thursday, Thursday, T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y, Thursday. Friday, F-R-I-D-A-Y, Friday. Saturday, S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y, Saturday. And at the end you will write Sunday, S-U-N-D-A-Y, Sunday. Now children, in this lesson we have completed all 7 days of the week. You have to learn the spelling and you have to write these days in good writing. And you have to write date, home task, Thursday, topic, days of the week, everything in your writing. Okay? Now here is the time to read the sight words. These words already we have done, but we are going to revise them again. Look at the first word, game, G-A-M-E, game. Card, C-A-R-D, card. Mask, M-A-S-K, mask. Candle, candle, C-A-N-D-L-E, candle. Present, P-R-E-S-E-N-T, present. Birthday, B-I-R-T-H-D-A-Y, birthday. Children, these words I'm telling you again and again so you would be able to read yourself. Okay, children, revise all these things at home in a good way. Take care of yourself. Inshallah, we will meet again next week. Allah Hafiz.